Here we go. Lots of things still awaiting a bisque firing. Top layer, it's still a bit hot. That is a big hanging bird bath. I can show you better when I take it out. So yeah, I will set up the camera and show you the rest that's in the kiln. Here we go. Still a bit warm. There it is. Can I hold it here? Oh, no, the bottom is still a bit warm. This is a wedding gift. And, no, I'm putting it down again. Oh, it's a wedding gift, I can't drop it. I'll be back soon. While we're waiting, let me thank a few people. I got the most loveliest message, private message through my Ko-fi page from Yvonne. She bought some pieces a few years ago. Excuse me. She found me online and sent me the loveliest message with a beautiful picture of the pieces she bought. They are in her garden in the summer and in the winter on her piano. And well, thank you Yvonne for that message. You made my day. Heck, you made my week. And of course, thank you for becoming a member on my Ko-fi page. Of course, the other members are all also still there. So thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Jane from Shoebox Studio. Thank you, Walker Pottery, and thank you, Kathy, for joining me over there. You, of course, get first dibs as soon as I have enough pieces for the online sale. And thank you, Jules and Misty, for your coffees. I appreciate your support so much. So yeah, thank you. And happy chat. No, still too hot. Isn't it difficult to be patient? We all know that, don't we? Here we go. Cool enough. Again, a wedding present, a big bird bath. It's going to be hung. And I mixed up this earth tone for her. And the design is made from the wedding invitation. And it was a bit difficult because the wedding invitation was a picture taken from a wood carving. So it wasn't very clear, but I managed to trace it and put parts on it, take parts of it and put it on this bird bath. I have footage, so there might come a video of this one. I think I even have the, yeah, very tiny. I have their wedding date coming up, but the party of the wedding is, I think, going to be in July, so I am on time. That's my oh, the bottom. I am very happy with this one. Oh, and this is my bucket for my clear glaze is not big enough to dip this in, so this is 2 good coats of HF9 by Amico. It's a very good clear glaze to go on top of underglazes and slips. So yeah, let's get to the next shelf. I have some mugs and sgraffito, but first a new mosquito coil holder. Still a bit warm. Next shelf. Well, this one has a story. Well, the glaze has a story. I ordered, inspired by many of you, by the way, Power Turquoise, because I wanted to try it. It looks like it's beautiful. So I ordered from Clay King and they sent me the wrong glaze. They sent me Peacock. I have emailed them. I have emailed them before with questions about clay and delivery and things like that. I think there are 3, 4, maybe 5 emails out. I have yet to receive an answer. So I'm not a fan of Clay King, although the order that I ordered That went fast, even for, you know, it getting to Bonaire. But they never responded to, hey, you guys, you got me the wrong glaze. So after a while, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try this glaze and order bubble turquoise the next time somewhere else. Uh, I didn't test it. I was too impatient. And I'm not a fan, but maybe also because I immediately did things with it. Okay, so stop rambling. There are some nice funky drippy things going on. I know some of you like that. I like it sometimes. This is Nebula Blue. Or am I lying? Yes, I think it's Nebula Blue by Laguna under Peacock. This is Peacock, only 2 coats, so I think next time I can do 3. I don't see any running of the Peacock itself. It's a little bit better on the, oh, you can see, I think, better on the inside, but still splotchy, streaky. So, and I have pinholes, and I think that's the Nebula. So yeah, this will be a refire. I have another one with Nebula, and I could see from just by looking in, I have, this is not a pinhole, this is a blister. They're sharp. That one is not sharp. I love Nebula Blue. It's a beautiful pearly white with a bluish tint. I like it very much. So far on the inside of a pot, it pinholes, and sometimes on the outside. I think I'm going to prolong my hold for the next time and see if I, that way they will smooth over. The outside is my beloved pearl white under Scandinavian blue. I've been making different shapes of mugs, and I thought I would do this for this one. And the outside is perfectly fine, no pinholing whatsoever. Ah, that's a combination I really truly love. Done with glazes. Let's go to sgraffito. Do you remember, have you seen the post of that cute little frog that was tucked away in my wheel? It was in a community post, and I think, yeah, it's here. Of course I had to put a frog on a mug. Aww. Aww. If you don't see the community post, you have to be subscribed to be able to see them. So there he is. Funky colors and a mushroom. I like him. I like him a lot. Yeah, that's fun. That's fun. I had a request for seahorses, so I make seahorses. The greens and the blues, all slips with mason stain, and on the back side I did a little fishy. I think I have one more. I make 2, so she can choose which one she wants. Different greens and blues. And a little fishy. Then there is black and white. Always a good idea. And a different shape. An hourglass shape instead of the round shape. Black and white flamingos. Look, that one has an attitude, doesn't it? Wow. This is mason stain velvet in my slip, 10%. And what's this one? Oh yeah, I remember. I had all my colors out. So I thought, you know, why not put all the colors on one mug? Look, this is our beautiful island Bonaire. And some funky cacti. These are all, by the way, dipped in Laguna Clear Right MS29 because I can, you know, dip them in my bucket. Next shelf. The bottom shelf. Some smaller cups. I had a customer come in looking for a Mother's Day gift, so sweet, for his wife. And he said, no, these mugs are too big. We like smaller mugs. You know, I can put some smaller mugs in my repertoire. So I did. I don't know if he will buy them. He didn't, I mean, you know. So yeah, these are the size that you can put in or under, what, I don't know, your coffee machine. And this is a trubial. We have a lot of them here. We call them, oh, I don't know how we call them actually. I don't know the word in Papiamento. I have to ask that. So traced and colored in, and the rest is just the off-white color of the clay. He came out pretty good, I have to say. Yeah, like him. Then it's so light, so small. Let me grab another one to show you the difference. Hold on. This is my standard size mug. I like this size myself. I like my coffee hot, and by the time I'm at the last sip it is still warm. I don't like cold coffee, so I would not drink from a bigger one. And this is the yeah, they're definitely smaller, but still cute. Look, the green and blue turtles. I think they all have turtles. Oh yeah, this is a different green. As you can tell, I hope. And another one with more turquoise. Well, we'll see how it goes. People like them. I mean, the size, the smaller size, I don't know. I have a few butt vases. These are, I always sell these well. Just a simple black and white, I don't know, let's just call it a design. And of course, flamingos. And then there is something new. And it's a bit warm. Ooh. This is a wall shrine or little altar, you know, from the beautiful black clay. I had white slip on the inside, carved through that, and the glaze is the satin patina. I think I could have used one more layer, but I like it. This was meant to be rustic. And I have some smaller pieces that go in there, and I combined them of the glaze. I combined the glaze, the satin patina, with the yellow ore. Oh, I don't know which brand it is, but it's also matte. So I combined that matte yellow ore with the satin patina, and it really looks like this has been dug up. Oh, well, hold on, now we're not focusing. This is a little vase that goes in there. This, just a tiny little bowl to go in there. And a tiny little thingy to put a candle in, you know, like a birthday candle that would fit. I did put white slip on these two, and then the glaze. Look there on the inside. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it shows up real well on the camera. I will take a picture and show you. And that's it, people. Another glaze firing done. I'll be bisque firing all of that, which is quite a lot. And we'll see each other in the next video. Be nice to yourself, be nice to others, have fun, be creative, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. I have set up my little wall shrine for you guys. I have a little bougainville in that little vase. I have some gemstones here. There's a little birthday candle, but the hole in that little thingy is also big enough to put in a cone, an incense cone. Not a witness cone, an incense cone. I have a beautiful little swirl of clay from my trimmings in there. And I found this picture. Well, I don't think I need to explain that to you. So yeah, all the things I love are in there. And let me show you the cute little birdie that's up there. And you could put it down like this, but it's a bit heavy on the back side, and I will show you why. This is its hanging system. It's got two, where am I? There, two. So if you hang it from this one, it will, this is to keep it from the wall, so it will hang sort of kind of straight. And this is stainless steel wire, because if I buy anything stainless steel here on Bonaire, it rusts, so that's not very good quality. So yeah, you can put anything in it you like. This little shelf has a little ridge on the front, so you can put a picture in there. You can put a picture in there for of a loved one that has maybe left this life and you want to honor, or you can make it seasonal, winter, summer, spring, things like that, or just fill it with things you love and change it up whenever you want to. So yeah, that's my wall shrine.